Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. Can't beat that. Last night I prepared a one-pan garlic and Parmesan chicken and gnocchi. It's very good. It's not the prettiest dish, but I don't think it was meant to be. It's a good, hearty meal with simple ingredients. I will make sure the recipe gets posted in the group. Today, I'm doing a white lasagna. I looked at several recipes. I had Robin look at those recipes, and we chose the one that I'm preparing for this evening. Let me show you what I got going on. Got some hardware. Ooh. And a 9x13 pin. Okay. This white lasagna has Italian sausage. Of course, lasagna noodles, some white wine, some heavy cream, a yellow onion, an egg, garlic, celery, and basil. And we go over here. Of course, there's kosher salt and fresh ground black pepper. There's 6 different cheeses in this lasagna. You've got the ricotta. You've got the Parmesan. You've got a white cheddar. You've got Gouda. You've got cream cheese. And you have mozzarella. Wow, a lot of cheese. Robin is going to be in heaven. If you don't know, Robin is my rat. She loves cheese. So this 6 cheese mixture, should be just sending her over the moon. Didn't get much sleep last night. I was working. Again, fortunately for me, not a lot of prep. I got a great bunch of cheese. Didn't bust my knuckles the other day with the potatoes and onion, but I can't really do a food processor today with this. No, I'm going to have to go to the box trader. Oh well, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So on this Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.